Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we will read Maddah letters and standing movements. Maddah letters are basically three: Alif, Waw, and Ya. Whenever the letter before Alif has got Fatha, like this. This is Alif, and the letter before Alif has got Fatha, then Alif becomes Alif Maddah. And whenever the letter before Waw Sakin has got Dhamma, Waw becomes Waw Maddah. And whenever the letter before Ya Sakin has got Kasra, Ya becomes Ya Maddah. Yes, you are right. The question is here that what is Sakin letter? So whenever Jazm sign comes on the top of any letter, that letter becomes Sakin letter. We call it Sakin letter. So here Waw has got Jazm sign, so this is Waw Sakin. And here Ya has got Jazm sign, this is Ya Sakin. Is it clear now? Yes. So whenever Jazm sign comes on the top of any letter, that letter becomes Sakin letter. So I was telling you that whenever the letter before Alif has got Fatha, Alif becomes Alif Madda, and the letter before Waw Sakin has got Dhamma, Waw becomes Waw Madda, and the letter before Ya Sakin has got Kasra, Ya becomes Ya Madda. Remember that I told you if Alif has got any movement, Fatha, Dhamma, or Kasra, or Jazm sign, Alif becomes Hamza. We call it Hamza. So that is why in Madda letters, there should be nothing on the top of Alif. Then Alif can be Alif Madda. Otherwise, it would be Hamza. The way to read Madda letters is that you have to stretch the letter before Madda letter for two movements. Like Ba Alif Fatha, Ba. Ba Fatha was Ba, Ba Fatha Ba, Ba Alif Fatha Ba. So you have to stretch little bit. Ba Waw Dhamma Bu, Ba Ya Kasra Bi. Ba Dhamma was Bu, Ba Waw Dhamma is Bu, Ba Kasra Bi, Ba Ya Kasra Bi. So you have to stretch. Ta Alif Fatha Ta, Ta Waw Dhamma Tu, Ta Ya Kasra Ti, Ta Alif Fatha Ta, Ta Waw Dhamma Tu, Ta Ya Kasra Ti, Ha Alif Fatha Ha, Ha Waw Dhamma Hu, Ha Ya Kasra Hi, Kha Alif Fatha Kha. Green color is for bold letters. Kha Waw Dhamma Khu, Kha Ya Kasra Khi, Ra Alif Fatha Ra, Ra Waw Dhamma Ru, Ra Ya Kasra Ri. Okay, next thing which we will read in this lesson is standing movements. Standing movements are three. Just like we read basic three movements, that was Fatha, Dhamma, and Kasra. There are three standing movements, means standing Fatha, standing Kasra, and inverted Dhamma. The purpose of standing Fatha and Alif Madda is same. And the purpose of standing Kasra and Ya Madda is same. And the way to pronounce Waw Madda and inverted Dhamma is same. So if a letter has got standing movement, you have to stretch for 2 seconds or equivalent to 2 movements. Like Ba standing fatha, ba. Same like we read ba alif fatha, ba with alif madda and ba with standing fatha. Both are same. Ba standing fatha, ba fatha was ba fatha ba standing fatha, ba. Ya standing fatha, ya. Ra standing fatha, ra. Mim standing fatha, ma. Lam standing fatha, la. Waw standing fatha, wa. Noon standing fatha, na. Hamza standing fatha, remember the sound of Hamza is not ha. This is a common mistake. Hamza standing fatha, ha standing fatha, ha. Ain standing fatha, ha standing fatha, ha. Ghain standing fatha, gha. Za standing fatha, za. Fa standing fatha, fa. Qaf standing fatha, qa. Kaf standing fatha, ka. Hamza standing kasra, e. Whenever alif has got any movement or jazm sign, alif becomes hamza. Ha standing kasra, he. Waw inverted dhamma, woo. Ha inverted dhamma, who. Hamza inverted dhamma, oo. So that's all for this lesson. We read standing movements and madda letters in this lesson. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.